I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to delete watch faces on this watch. So whether it's storage space you want to save, or you feel like you have too many watch faces and you want to get rid of some, then here's how to delete. So from the watch, just long press on your current watch face and then scroll and find the watch face you want to delete. So for instance, if I want to delete this one, all I need to do is grab, just press and hold and then drag it up. So just hold like this and then drag up. You'll see the bin icon appear, and if you keep scrolling it's going to get deleted. So let's try again. That watch face has been deleted. So now if you scroll, you won't find it anywhere. Okay, let's try delete another one like this one. Just hold it and drag up all the way until it disappears and that watch face gets deleted. That is basically how to delete a watch face from the watch itself. Now if you want to do it from the mobile app, just grab your phone and launch the OHealth app, and in the OHealth app just go to watch faces and then at the top there tap on my faces. This shows you all the watch faces that are currently on the watch. And so if you find one that you want to delete, like for instance, if you want to delete this one, all you need to do is tap on it. Make sure it's the one you want to delete and then go back and then come here to this edit button, tap on it and then choose the one you want to remove. So here it is again. So I'll select it, and once I select it, a bin icon will appear in the top right corner. Tap on it and then confirm you want to remove that particular watch face, and it's going to get deleted on the watch. Okay, so that is basically how to delete watch faces on your OnePlus Watch 2. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.